Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is how to enroll in State Bar Council. So if you want to enroll in State Bar Council, then you can follow this process. First is complete a bachelor degree in law. This is very important. To enroll in the State Bar Council, you must first complete a bachelor's degree in law from a recognized institution, and second is prepare for the bar examination. After completing your law degree, you can prepare for the bar examination. Once you have completed your LLB degree, you will need to prepare for the bar examination. The exam tests your knowledge of legal principle and is a mandatory requirement for enrollment in the State Bar Council. And third is register for the bar examination. Now you can register for the bar examination. After thorough preparation, you will need to register for the bar examination. The registration process usually involves submitting an application form along with the required document and paying the examination fees. And fourth is take the bar examination. On the designated date, you will sit for the bar examination. The exam may consist of both written and oral components, and its duration and format may vary by state. Be sure to arrive on the time and follow the instructions provided by the by the examination authorities. Okay. And fifth is clear the bar examination. Upon successfully passing the bar examination, you will be eligible to proceed with the enrollment process. Results are typically announced after a few weeks. If you do not pass, you may have the opportunity to retake the exam in the future, so don't worry about it. And sixth is complete the enrollment application. Once you have cleared the bar examination, you will need to complete the enrollment application. This application will require you to provide personal details, educational qualification, and other information requested by the State Bar Council. Make sure to fill out the form accurately and attach all the necessary supporting documents. After that, pay the enrollment fees. With the completed application form, you will be required to pay the enrollment fees specified by the State Bar Council. The fees may vary, so uh, check with your state for the exact amount and payment methods. And last is verification and approval. Upon submission of the application and payment of fees, the State Bar Council will verify your credential and conduct a background check. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation of enrollment. So these are the important process you can follow if you want to enroll in State Bar Council. So I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.